Yeah. Hiya guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am back again. I bought my doorbell box. Today is makeup box because my baby girl, she's really doing good. So this is to empower her, to encourage her, to tell her, baby, keep up, keep up, keep up. She's doing good. So in the meantime, she's going to showcase to you guys what is inside. What mommy, this is fully Christmas gift. So baby girl, you come up. Dance for my people. Hey. Oh. Hey,
okay, so when you open the box, so you see a fan. You see a fan that you use for drying, your face. And you see lashes, you see powder for setting powder, you see sponge, and you see eyebrow pencil, concealer, different type of concealer, different for different colors. Mommy, lashes now, I already told them. Lashes, concealer for different people, white, black, blue, yellow. You see some glitter if you want to shine on your eyebrow. On your eye. You see foundation and you see glue for your nail. You see glue for your lashes. Lip liner to have nice lips. Different shades of foundation. So whenever I do people's foundation, it can match. See, there's more here. There's more colors here. Lashes, different shapes and sizes. Fixing spray at the end of the makeup. More concealer for different people with different skin colors. And more powder. Different colors of powder. There's white and there's contour as well if you want to do contour. And again, more lashes, highlight, bronzer, all that good stuff. Eyeshadow, nice and neat, nice and new. I like it very much. You see more. You see blush. You see setting powder. You see for white people as well. You see more eyeshadow with different colors, plenty colorful colors. So if you guys want me to do wedding makeup, I'm here. And birthday makeup, I'm here. Everything, I'm here. Yeah. There's setting powder, there's eyeliner, and there's more makeup sponges when this one becomes too old. So there's new sets. And more pencil for eyebrow, for lipstick, for eyes, Different color of lipstick. There's brown, there's purple, there's green. And lastly, there is another palette for eyeshadow. More of a neutral colors, more nice and normal, for everyday look. Lip gloss. If you want your lips to shine like this. more colors. There's a lot of colors in this box, so my mom has tried mine.
Try.
So,
oh.
There's more brown, see, a lot of colors. Different color of concealer for dark people, you know. And yeah, that is it. More glitter, more concealer, more pencils, more everything. Lashes. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to make my mom up today because she deserves this. So yeah, let's get into it.
Parents always encourage them, okay?
Yes.
So get ready and make me up, alright?
Alright. Okay, start.
Now she's going to make me up. Let's see her handwork. Yes, so
We forgot to show even makeup brush, a set of makeup brush for the eye and for the skin. Yeah.
DJ Prissy.
Yeah, pause it.
And you get so blind. I want to give you my love. I want to give you. Bang, bang, all the bang bangs.
So guys, I put foundation, I concealed her eyebrows, I concealed her face and her nose, and I contoured her nose as well. And now I'm going to add some powder. The powder I'm using is from Shasha Buttercup. I'm now going to add some setting powder all over her face so that some shape will come back into her face. Some shape and color.
Nekata no didier, baby more in the hot. Coffee, baby more ipuliche. I am what to do, what you cook, Kelumba Silka. I got to quick one, Charlie. You wait, you money police. I want to do. I want you to get in my sugar. Confidence, like a tano didia, like a tano didia,
So now I'm going to do her eyeshadow because she wants to do her eyeshadow. So the first color I will be using is this one, and I'll be putting it on the outer corner. So I have now did the eyeshadow. Close your eyes. I did some red with some orange and some yellow, like a fading motion, you know, something nice and simple. And then I put some Dracula eyelashes, you know. Look up.
Ife mebe, Ife mebe. I say make things they happen. Make things they happen. And they can't be no shaking.
Your eyes. Now I'm going to set her face with setting spray. That's from Revolution.
I shine never. No one never saw. Ebeo, mrese wela. Wow. How this come call quill? Hey. Now what? Am I looking hot? I'll get it. Yes, sir. Oh, I'll get it there, man. Yeah, what's over? Yeah, what's over? Hey, I'll get it there, man. Chai. Guys, how am I looking? Am I not looking hot? I'm looking hot. Yeah. Ladies, come and make yourself up. Look hot for that man. Look hot for that man. Chineke. Hey. Eyeshadow. If you get, enough
You need to close your eyes.
Invite her. Any occasion. Birthday party. Naming ceremony. Wedding. Call upon my baby girl. She will design you. She will make you look extra. She will make you look extra hot. Maybe you're hot already. She'll make you look hot.
Well, thank you, mommy, for buying me the makeup box. I appreciate it very much.
Thank you, girl. You're welcome. Okay, ladies, you can see her handwork. Invite her for any occasion. She's gonna design you. She'll make you look hot. And also, parents, encourage your child. Whatever she's doing, which is legal. I don't say illegal though, legal. Encourage them. Bye bye, guys. See you next.